Welcome to the step-by-step guide on creating a stunning Joker movie poster in Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this tutorial will help you master the art of poster making. Posters are a powerful tool for visual communication, used to capture attention and convey a message effectively. Today, we'll be combining essential design principles with creative techniques to bring the iconic character of Joker to life. Let's dive right in and start creating. First, create a new document. Go to File New or press Ctrl-N. Set the dimensions to 2000px by 2500px. Next, open your images. Drag and drop or go to File Open. With an image open, go to Select Subject. Press Ctrl-C to copy the selection. Go to your new document and press Ctrl-V to paste. Right-click and click on Duplicate Layer. Repeat the subject selection, copy, and paste steps for all your images. Press Ctrl-T to transform and adjust the size of the image. Repeat for all your images. Use the Move tool to arrange the images as shown. Turn off layer visibility for each layer to mask one at a time. Select the image layer and click the Add Layer Mask button. Use a soft round brush with black color to blend the edges. Repeat masking for all images. Click on the Adjustment Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select Gradient, and choose colors 2AA592 and 07534 billion. Set to radial. Select all image layers except one. Choose Overlay from the blending options. Repeat for all images. Select the Type tool, shortcut T. Choose the Gothic Joker font and type Joker and other text. Press Ctrl T to transform the text. Set the font color to white.